welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing some Lilo and Stitch nails. I had this foil for a while, so I wanted to go ahead and use it. My daughter loves Stitch. And then I'm going to be using this foil that has hibiscus flowers and 2 dip powders from Amber Dips a Lot. One glows in the dark and one's like a sun changer. And we're going to be making our own hibiscus flowers here out of a mold. And I'm going to be using Scarlet from a carton. I basically just put layers of the red polish and cured it for about 90 seconds. And then in the center I'm going to be using the Nail Couture from the Neon Liner collection, the yellow. And I'm using this tool. It's a dotting tool on one side, but then the other side is like an egg shape. That's what I call it. It's like a real, like an oval, but it's got a point at the end, and it's really good at getting in that little space there. So yeah, that's just all I did, was fill in the middle part with that yellow. And then we cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and top coat it. I kind of wish I didn't top coat them because it kind of covered up the lines, but you'll see I go in with this real fine little micro brush that I got on Shein, and I just kind of go in the lines a little bit to remove some of it, but I think they still came out cute and they're super shiny. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my practice hand just because I want to use it, and I don't know, I like to do acrylic on the practice hands. I'm just going to go ahead and roughen up the surface here. Alright, so of course if we were going to be putting this on our own hands or a client's hands, we're going to dehydrate and prime the nails. But since it's the practice hand, I'm not going to waste my, you know, dehydrators and stuff on that. So you just want to make sure you wipe all the dust. I really want to take care of this hand. I'm trying not to get stuff all over it. Alright, so now I'm just going to use the Young Nails brush on glue here, and then we're just going to go ahead and apply the tips. I really like this glue. I use it when I put on like acrylics on myself too. It works so good. Like, it holds so good, you barely put on there a few seconds. And I do have one of these in my upcoming giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers. So I did order 2 because it was like a special. It was a sale they were having, buy one get one free basically. So you will get one of these in the giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and cut down the tips just a little bit. So on the ring and middle finger, I'm going to be applying Water from the Moon. This is the dip powder from Amber Dips a Lot, but you can also use these as acrylics. I've only used them as acrylics. I do want to start getting into dip powder. I've never done it at all. I've only swatched the dip powders. So yeah, I'm trying to get my daughter to let me do a set on her. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm just applying the glitter dip powder here. It's a white, but it has like a bluish shift to it. And then the monomer I'm using is the one from Joss Love. I really like that monomer. I got it in that kit that I won, the acrylic kit, and I really like the monomer. So yeah, I'm just going to show the ring finger here, but the Amber Dips a Lot, her powders are so nice to work with. They're just incredible. I absolutely love them. So I'll go ahead and leave all her information linked down below. So now I'm applying the blueberry jelly. So yeah, I wasn't recording when I first laid that first bead down, but this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's a glow in the dark, and I'll show you a picture at the end. It glows so bright and it looks so cool because you could still see the stitch foil. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I absolutely loved it. So I don't know if I did already on this clip or not, but I did go ahead and just cap the two white nails with the clear acrylic just because they have glitter in them. But these, the blue ones, I did not put any clear, and they filed great. It didn't do anything with the color or with the glow in the dark. It didn't affect anything. So yeah, they're incredible. I absolutely love them. I have the peach jelly one too. I want to go ahead and get the rest of the colors, but yeah, she also has, Amber dips a lot. She also has a YouTube channel, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to her. She does, I love when she does her mixes. She'll show you how she mixes her dip powders and makes them. It's so cool. And she does hauls and swatches of different products and amazing manicures, so make sure you go check her out. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you go ahead and finish watching me apply this beautiful blue jelly. So now I just go ahead and file the free edge and just the sides of the nail just to crispen it up a bit. And I just do that with the hand file. I'm just going to show two nails. So I don't know why I cannot file the left side of the nail with my right hand. I have to switch to my left hand. I don't know, I'm weird like that. I cut my meat with the wrong hand. I don't know why it's uncomfortable for me to file the left side of the nail with my right hand. I don't know, but anyways, we're gonna go in now with this bit. I showed this in my last acrylic video I did. I still gotta figure out where I got it from, but it's a ceramic bit and it's light pink, and I think it's a fine. I don't think it's even a medium, but it makes the nail it takes down bulk, but it makes it really smooth. And then I go in with the sanding band here just to refine any lumps or anything that were in the nail, which there wasn't that many because that bit, I should have went in with the sanding band first, I think, and then did that one. I don't know, but I just really like that bit. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go in and use my buffer here from E-Nail Couture and just buff the nails smooth. And so yeah, I just showed that I went and cleaned the hand, cleaned the nails off real good, removed all that dust, and I'm just going in with the Not Polish Gloss It. I love this for acrylic nails, and I'm just going to apply a coat of that to each nail, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. I think I should have just went ahead and did the foil glue on there. I don't know, I think it's just a habit that after I, file and stuff, I like to apply the top coat. It didn't affect anything, but yeah, I think next time I'll try it with just applying the foil glue and the foils, and then because I'm basically putting like 2 layers of top coat, because I go in and top coat after I put the foils. So let me know how you guys do that. Do you apply a top coat and then put your foil glue and all that, or do you go straight in with the foil glue before top coating? So let me know that, please. And so yeah, I'm just going to use the Macart foil glue, and I'm just applying a layer of that, and then I cure that for 60 seconds, and then after it cures, I leave the hand out of the lamp for about 30 seconds. And then I put the foil on, and I'm just using my silicone tool, and I even use that metal, the back of the tweezer, it helps too, but you'll see this one was kind of a fail at the top. But yeah, if I see any edges that are lifting, I'll go ahead and push them, you know, try to push them down again. But this yellow part, the yellow flower by the cuticle, I was pressing on it and pressing on it, and it just did not want to transfer right there. And I did not feel like filing and doing it over, so you'll see what I do next. So to cover up that, I'm just going to put one of my little flowers that I made on there. You could still see a little bit of the yellow because after I put it on, I didn't leave it like that. You could see a tiny bit of yellow, but I didn't care. I just didn't want to go. I think this was the second time I had to do that nail because I don't know why it just wasn't transferring that day. I was having problems, but yeah, so then I go in with the top coat just to seal in the foil. And of course I cured that for 60 seconds, and then I'm just going in with the McCart rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to put that flower there by the cuticle. And then I'm going to be placing this stitch foil here. I was just placing it there to see exactly where I wanted it. But again, I'm going in with the foil glue, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds and then let it sit out of the lamp for 30 seconds. This one I didn't have too many problems with. There was just some tiny little parts that didn't want to stick down, but like I said, if you rub it, you know, pretty good, usually you're able to just pull it up. But so yeah, that one came out pretty good. And then I didn't want to leave it plain, so I decided on that same foil there was like a cloud on there, so I just decided to put the cloud up there. And I'm using that same glue. I didn't put another layer because it was still sticky. I just put that one stitch there. So all this is with the same layer of foil glue. And then on the bottom, I just cut out one of the little flowers also from that foil and just put it down on the bottom. This one I cut it so tiny, I was trying to find where I could peel the clear plastic part. And then again, we're going to top coat and then cure that for 60 seconds. And then on the middle finger, I'm going to go in with 3 sizes. I made 3 sizes of the flowers, the little hibiscus flowers, so we're going to go ahead and put 3 of those on that middle finger. And then I did go ahead and cure after I placed each flower just so they wouldn't move around. And then I was gonna leave the nail just like that, but I don't know, it looked too plain to me, so I decided I need to start practicing my nail art anyway. So I just took some green liner gels that I have. I just got them on Amazon. They're not the best, but I mean, just for me to kind of practice with. I just decided to draw some little stems or vines on there, and then yeah, I did not try to draw little leaves. I'm not at that level, so I just kind of put like little, not straight, I kind of curved them at the end just to look like little leaves, I guess. And then I'm applying the foil glue to the index finger here, and then we'll cure that for 60 seconds and then let it sit out of the lamp for about 30. This nail was the one I had to do over, because I put that whole foil right there with the flowers. I did the whole background like that. I put all the flowers on. Of course, some of them didn't want to transfer. And then I tried to put the stitch on top, and it didn't come out right. It was so messy, and so I had to go and wipe everything with alcohol, file everything off, and start over. And so yeah, I just decided just to put the two flowers, you know, cut them out and put them separately on top, because it just wasn't working out that day. So yeah, now I'm just top coating everything and then curing it for 60 seconds. So this is the finished set here. I did add some rhinestones to the flowers on the index finger, but I think they came out really cute. I like doing character nails. And you'll see the glow coming up. Oh my gosh, that glow is incredible. And how you can see the sticker there. Oh, it's just gorgeous. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.